Do you need a new key for your Jeep vehicle? Well, I'm Mike with Tom's Key Company. I want to show you how to use this simple key programming kit to make a new key right at home. It's super easy and it'll save you a ton of money over the cost the car dealership charges. This works for many different Jeep, Chrysler, Dodge, even some Volkswagen vehicles. The first thing you're going to have to do when you get your simple key programming kit is go get the key blade cut to match your existing key. You do need an existing working key in order to use this simple key programming kit. To avoid the hassle of finding a car dealership or locksmith that will cut your key, you can order our optional Key by Photo key cutting service. After placing your order, simply upload 3 photos, and with the wonders of technology, we'll cut your key before shipping so it arrives ready to fit your vehicle. Alright, now the kit comes with a user guide that'll walk you through everything you need to know to pair your new key. Today, I'm working on making a key for a 2013 Jeep Wrangler. There's 2 things I need to look up. First, because my existing key has 3 buttons, the panic, unlock, and lock. Come down here, I find activation code number 233. So we're going to need that in a minute. The other thing I find is the primary dial position over here, and it's position number 1. Alright, the dial position tells me where to set the dial on the simple key programming device. For this 2013 Jeep Wrangler, it said set it to position number 1, just like that. We've got our working key. You can see it lock right over here. And we got the new one. It doesn't work. The new one also does not start the engine. You heard it start, and then it died because it's not a valid key. So, the first step in programming this is to activate the new key fob. Alright, now we're going to activate the key. We found the code 233. To do the activation, simply take and push the lock and panic button until the red light stays on. With that red light on, we're going to enter the code 233. First digit is entered using lock. Push it twice. 1, 2. Second digit is entered using panic. 1, 2, 3. The third digit is entered using the unlock button. 1, 2, 3. Once that's been entered, we're going to push lock and panic again, and it'll blink back the code to make sure we got it right. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Alright, it blinked the code properly. We're now ready to get this key paired or programmed to the vehicle. With the programming device set to the proper dial position, we can remove the security seal. Once this has been removed, it'll pair to your specific vehicle. Once it's paired to your vehicle, you won't be able to use it to program any different vehicles. However, you can program up to 8 different keys for this Jeep, Chrysler, and Dodge vehicles. It's important to note there's timing requirements while you program the key, so monitor that as you follow the instructions. We're going to make sure the vehicle is in park, the engine's turned off, and turn on our hazard lights. Next, we take our existing working key and start the vehicle. With the vehicle running, simple key set to position, I'm going to plug it into the OBD2 port down here. Now listen for this to beep, letting you know it's properly communicating with the vehicle. There, you heard those 3 quick beeps. And 3 more beeps. So that lets us know it's communicating with the vehicle. We can turn the engine off, remove the original working key. Now we'll take the new key, insert it, turn it 2 clicks to the on position. Don't turn the engine on. So it's in the on or the run position now. The next step is to push the button on top of the simple key programmer. And we'll listen for beeps. Wait up to 8 seconds. There, it chimed. That let us know that it paired successfully. We're going to pull it out of the ignition. With the key out of the ignition, we need to press the button on the programming device again. Okay, it made another chime. That little tone means that the programming is successful and complete. We can unplug our programmer, turn off the hazard lights, and we're going to take our new key and start the engine. there, just like that. The engine started, our new key worked. Watch the lock button over here. Let's make sure the locks are working. Here's the old one. Lock, unlock, and here's the new one. Lock, unlock. Let's check panic. That works too. Okay, this key is paired and programmed to your vehicle. It's that easy to make a new key for your Jeep using the Simple Key Programming Kit available from Tom's Key Company. If you run into some problems while programming, be sure you look at the frequently asked questions section in the user manual. If that doesn't answer your question, there's a toll-free phone number you can call and get technical support who can help walk through most problems you run into. If after all that it still doesn't work, just reach out to us via email, help@tomskey.com. If we can't solve your problem and get it so you have a working key when you're done, send the whole kit back and you'll get all your money back. Thanks so much for watching. Place your order at tomskey.com today. Like the video, subscribe, let other people know about this great kit from Tom's Key Company. Have a great day.